Hey guys, it is Sunday here in West Virginia, and we are going to do another unboxing. We usually do our Mopars on Monday, but I got these Mopars in on Friday, and I just couldn't wait to show them to you guys. So I had to show them to you today because it's going to be kind of like a 2 or 3 part series on the Jeep Cherokee Trackhawk. Um, as you know, I've been kind of sampling with Chinese manufacturers some stuff that's not licensed but looks really, really killer. We did some stuff. Well, we did one Challenger from Stance Hunters. Then we did the Dodge 70 ramp truck D300 from Street Warrior, or Street Weapon. The package says Street Warrior, but it's a Street Weapon side brand or something, whatever you want to call it. Now I am doing a video on JKM, also known as Jackie Kim. What grabbed my attention of his stuff was I was searching eBay to try to find the Hot Wheels Trackhawk again. I wanted to buy it because I liked the way it looked, and I've been picking up a few modern Mopars, as you know, and putting them at the dealer and trying to make two like scenes, one with old school stuff how it originally was, and then the what if version that I use in some videos and things like that, pictures and so forth. Right now we're back to the old school stuff. As you can see, it's all old school and such, but we cleared the front here so we could do the video on these two Jeep Cherokees that are absolutely amazing. I am like floored how beautiful these things are for the price. Usually you have to buy them from China, and from China they're usually like anywhere between, say, $10 and $15 plus $4 to $6 shipping, something like that, depending who you get them from. But most of the time you can get them for, as I said, like $9.99 with $4 or $5 shipping. I ordered another one from China, a black one. But it probably won't be here until the end of the month. The ones that I got recently, I found a seller in Miami, Florida. He actually has a few colors and limited quantities of these few colors that he's selling. Also, JKM does a Gladiator and a Wrangler, and I think he has a couple of the Gladiators in different colors for sale. His price is $12.95 plus your regular price shipping, like $5 or $6, something like that. But anyways, I bought two from him. I got this white one with the black racing stripe and the red one. And I think altogether he charged, it was $12.95 per vehicle, and then with the combined shipping it was only $6.95 for shipping. So I think I have what is it? It's like around $35 in both of them, something like that. But these cars are absolutely amazing. And you'll see them in a minute. This is how they come boxed in little white boxes. Kind of reminds me of like Mini GT or Tamika. A lot of other like Asian brands have them concealed in a box where you don't really see the vehicle until you open it. They were not wrapped in any outer like cellophane plastic or anything like that. They came exactly like this. Now I don't know if they do come in a cellophane and this guy had taken the cellophane off. I have no idea. This is the way I got them, and I don't think they were opened or the cellophane was removed beforehand. The box does not have much on it. Nothing on the end caps, nothing on the top side. The bottom side, let me get that to focus again, has an outline of the car and some other, let me zoom in a little here and try to get it to focus back. And it has some Chinese characters there with the writing and such. I'm trying to get that thing to focus. I don't know why it's not doing so well. There we go. Okay, so you can see some, I guess it is English characters. but it's just a bunch of numbers and stuff like that. And where to find them online, I can't really read it too good. It's my something something at gmail.com. Oh, that's their email. Okay. And then the bottom of the box, you have a barcode sticker that's put on crooked. And I guess that would be the part number. And it tells you it's a Jeep, blah, blah, blah. And it has usually the color, but it just has a bunch of random BS. JKM 164 Jeep Grand Cherokee Circuit Eagle Edition color bar alloy vehicle diecast metal model kids Christmas gift toys for boys Jeep blah blah blah. And then under that you have a lot of like Chinese writing. And down on the bottom it does have some caution for like younger children and stuff, but the sticker's covering it up. So anyways, let's go ahead and take the white one out of the package and take a look at him. And when you open it up, it comes in a very thick plastic cellophane. The cellophane's very thick, thicker than like a Ziploc baggy plastic. Very thick, dense type plastic. And then the card just pulls right out. And as I said, these things are beautifully done. The front of it is amazing with the details. The grill is beautiful with the honeycomb in each of the rectangles for the Jeep Cherokee grill. Then you have your honeycomb mesh in the front bumper cover, your other cutouts there. The headlights are acrylic headlight lenses. You have your performance hood with like the cowl induction and a racing stripe down the center of the vehicle and the very large moonroof. It does have side mirrors, and I do think they are separate pieces that are made of plastic, so they are fragile. So if you do buy one, be careful. And I'm not sure if they may be metal. I don't know, because it's very hard to tell where they would have been glued to the vehicle or added like afterwards. But anyways, nicely done. You have nice, slightly tinted glass. The wipers are there in a park position. Not heavily defined like some cars. You do have your satellite antenna there. If that's what it is, I guess it is. Now, one thing I love about this one, the color matched wheels look fantastic. The white wheels with the white Jeep, black racing stripe looks really, really good. And it is metal body and metal base. We'll go over the base in a second. Let me show you the back of this thing. It looks amazing. Red acrylic taillight lenses, Jeep vanity plate, and then your red marker lights in the rear bumper cover, your tailpipe cutouts, and you have dual tips on each side, and rubber tires, of course. Metal, as I mentioned. It is put together with Phillips head screws, which is awesome. The detail of the base is very nicely done. The exhaust is highlighted in silver, so it gives it a little nice touch to it. In the differentials and some of the suspension is defined. Very, very nice piece. Yeah, I could not ask for anything better, especially for the money. Even these things at $20 a piece, they would be acceptable. This is as nice as any mini GT or tarmac like Goble 64 pieces. It's the exact same quality. Now, the only thing that hurts it is the licensing, but in a pro of that, it makes the price cheaper too. So these things are cheap when you buy them from China. As I said, I was amazed that they were only like $10 a piece. Even if I would have paid $15 each, it's fine. The black one I got for $10 plus $4 shipping. So I actually, with tax and everything, and I got less than $15 in it being shipped to my door from China. And the only thing that I found that is a little bit deceiving is the picture on the box, not of the white one, But the red one, and a few of them are like this. Actually, I think all the colored ones are like this. They show the wheel being all black. So that's what I thought. And even the car, the diecast that is in some of the ads, shows a vehicle, the red Cherokee or the black Cherokee with all black wheels. And the black one I ordered did show that. It showed it with all black wheels, and it looked killer with all black wheels. But when I picked the color that I want to order, it pops up a picture of the black Cherokee, but it has black wheels with chrome accents highlighting some of the spokes. And it looks okay, but it just didn't look as good as black wheels on a black car. And usually I'm not a black wheel person, but on these, they look really good. But anyways, on this one, same thing with the box. This one, you can see the whole outline of the car. They don't have the sticker covering it, which is kind of a cool thing. And they put the sticker on the other side. And then the same thing with the licensing stuff. And this one, you can actually see a color red. It shows it. And gifts, collect, ornaments. It just has a bunch of random crap here, like for, I guess, the gift store or something. So anyways, let's go ahead and open the end cap and pull him out. Once again, wrapped in that really thick cellophane plastic. My camera's going crazy trying to zoom in on that. So let's get him out. There he is. The red is very nice. It is a metallic, like metal flake red. Let me zoom back out a little bit so you get a clearer picture. And on the, I forgot to point that out. On the door, it does say like Grand Cherokee Supercharged, which is cool. So, you know, it's got the 6.2 supercharged Hemi under the hood. And this one is just amazing with the details and such. Yeah, the vents didn't stand out that much on the white one like they do on the red one. The vents on the front bumper cover under the grill. And then on the black stripe, you can't really see the Jeep emblem. It is there. This is one reason I don't like doing videos here at the dealership because of the lighting. And such, there we go. It's hard to get it to focus all the time. But you can see the Jeep logo is very nicely done there. And the red kind of helps highlight some of the accents better, like the chrome trim around the openings on each side of the bumper cover and such. And then also, I didn't point it out on the white one, but as you can see down in there, the interior is very well done too. It's very nicely done. You can see all the seats and such. And I think if you look in, I don't know, it looks like before one of them maybe had chrome trim, but I guess it doesn't. It must have just been the light or something. But you can see it's got the center console, bucket seats in the front, your dash is detailed, steering wheel, all that stuff is there. So there are, I forget how many colors Jeep logo back here on the rear tailgate. As I said, the white one, I think they are, like deleted, like maybe trim delete option, because there's no Jeep on the front header panel and there's none on the back tailgate either. I guess it would take away from the stripe, but still yet, I don't know. I just would have expected it to be there, but that's kind of cool. It is a little bit different because you had a different trim option, I guess. But they have a few others. There's a dark blue metallic, the black one that I'm getting, and it's not just a gloss black. It is a metallic black too. There's another thing that wasn't on the one that was like in their advertisement as like their commercial vehicle. All black, just like a base coat, clear coat, gloss black with black wheels. Now, the one, when you pick the color you want to order, it's a black with light metal flake in it like the red one. Same wheels as the red one, and I think when I get it, I'll just paint the wheels black. Take them off, spray them black. Since the car is put together with Phillips head screws, it's real easy to do. And then the dark blue is metallic. Then they have a silver metallic one. Then they have a silver one with a black racing stripe and white wheels. So there's two different silver versions. And then there is a, I guess I'll just call it like army green, one that has dirt on the wheels and tires and on the bottom half of the vehicle. It looks like it has been off-roading or something, which is kind of okay, but these are more of like a performance vehicle that are intended to be raced at the drag strip and such, but not really off-roading, so that's why I wasn't really too much into that. Otherwise, I'm really into those cars that have like the patina or the dirt and such. But for this one, it needs to be nice and clean because it's like drag strip ready. The only thing I would be like accepting is like black rubber all over the side of the quarter panel from like the burnout box at the drag strip or something like that. But yeah, guys, that's it. When I get the black one, I'll unbox it for you. And the reason I said this may be a 2 or 3 part series because I bought the Fast and Furious Hot Wheels Premium one, and it's also a nice looking version of the Trackhawk. I want to unbox it probably tomorrow and do a comparison with these and the Hot Wheels one, because they're not that far off in price. As I said, these are about $10 a piece, and the Hot Wheels Premiums are like $7 a piece. So it's kind of around the same price range. So anyways, guys, be sure to tune back in on Monday to check that out. We'll unbox the Hot Wheels and do a comparison on the two Jeep Trackhawks. Thanks for watching and have a great Sunday.